MarketStrategy.com.
Hello, this is Daniel Grady with a brief look at the markets for today, Tuesday, November 26th. We'll start with a look at the economic calendar, and I don't know why it doesn't show up here, but at 10 o'clock GMT we have an inflation report from the United Kingdom. Then at 1:30 GMT we have building permits from the United States, and then at 3 o'clock GMT we have the highlight of the day, which is the United States consumer confidence. Investors are going to be looking at this closely because it will give some kind of insight as to what the Fed will be doing next month. Moving over to the markets, the S&P 500 closed down just slightly yesterday, coming off of a record high. A correction is usually common after a strong move like we had over the last couple of days. The Dow Jones Industrial Average also closed down just slightly. However, the Nasdaq managed to reach a new high of above 4,000 points, which it hasn't done since 1999. Asian stocks were mixed over the session, with some closing down, some closing up. Futures for this upcoming session are on the upside. Both the S&P 500 and Dow Jones Industrial Average futures are trading up. S&P 500 futures are trading up by 0.14%. The euro, yesterday, as we expected, the euro-dollar pair traded within this series of levels, which are pretty packed together. We have 135, 135.35, and 135.50. We'd have to see this pair break through 135.50 to move on the upside, or 135 to move on the downside. And we don't have any major data coming out from Europe today, so this will be mostly driven by the dollar during trading today. The pound yesterday came off of, or continued to come off of resistance that we had here at 162.50. We have a new resistance at 161.70, and then we have support once again at 161. The Japanese yen, also as we expected, yesterday went into a brief correction period as investors were taking profit. We have support now at 101.35, and if it were to break through support at 101.35, we'd have our next support level at 100.50. However, the overall bias for this pair continues to be on the upside, and our next resistance level is at 101.80. And finally, we have gold, which is coming into some choppy area here. It's getting very close to resistance at 222. However, if we look at the RSI, it's showing that this this commodity is significantly oversold. So we were looking at some sort of correction in the short term. We also have a couple spinning tops here, which are indicative of a change in direction. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.